Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn if your Capcut template is not showing over on your TikTok, so how you can fix that. So I prefer to watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. First of all you need to do, go back to your home screen, and over here you have to go to Play Store or App Store, anything you have. Then you have to search for TikTok there and check if there is any update available for TikTok. Just update the application to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is the update. So just update the TikTok to its latest version in order to access all the features in it. Alright, so after updating TikTok, simply open it up and most probably this time your problem will be fixed. Now you can easily get template option over on videos. You can use Capcut templates. You can get it from any of the video. And one thing that I want to mention is when you click on use template, it will get stuck. Most probably you will face this problem. So on that case, what you can do is to again go back to your home screen, then again go back to your Play Store, and here you have to search for Capcut now, and just simply update Capcut application to its latest version in order to completely fix this problem. Alright, so once the application is updated, now go to Capcut, hold the application and go to app info. Once you're there, now you have to go to story usage and simply click on clear cache, so that all the corrupted cache memory of Capcut will be deleted and you will get a resetted version of Capcut. And then you have to force stop the application and again go back to TikTok, and here I have my TikTok. Now you can easily use the template, and this time you will not get any of the problem. So this is basically how you can fix Capcut template not showing over on TikTok. So all for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.